Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our second chapter, that is the nutrition in animals. In the last day, previous video, already we have studied that nutrition in amoeba. So it is a one unicellular, means one cellular organism. So how it is taking place, the nutritions like digestion, respiration, excretion, and how it is growth. Already you have studied that, how it is capturing, what it is body shapes. Already you have studied that in that last previous video. Yes, but students, today we are going to discuss about that. What is that nutrition in humans? Okay students, how we are doing that in nutrition. You know that students, we are the heterotrophic nutrition. Yes, because we cannot prepare our own food ourselves. So we are depending upon the either plants or other animals. Yes, to that prepare, we have no chlorophyll or we cannot do that photosynthesis process. That's why we are depending upon the other either plants or animals for the food. So let us discuss students, what is that our nutrition in our body, how the food is utilizing, and what is that alimentary canal, and what are that several organs consist of this, we will discuss in this video. So now look at the students, what is that nutrition in humans. So first of all we will discuss the term alimentary canal. The canal through which food passes starting from the mouth. There is one canal systems are there where we are putting from starting to up to anus. That means that waste materials are coming out. So these all several organs, like 7 organs are consist with this alimentary canal. Okay students, what are that? From the first buccal cavity or mouth, second one is esophagus, third one is stomach, fourth one is small intestine, fifth one is large intestine, sixth one is rectum, seventh one is anus. So generally 7 organs are consist with this alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is a tube-like structure which consists of 7 organs, and it starts from mouth to up to anus. Okay students, did you understand what is that alimentary canal? And the alimentary canal is starting from the mouth, and it is generally consists of 7 organs in our body. So that is generally it will start from mouth, or that buccal cavity we can say, that is mouth. And if you will say that here from mouth to stomach one pipe is there, connection is there, that is called as esophagus. Students, just I will show that pictures, by that you can understand what is that. So there is one tube-like structure connected to the mouth to stomach, that is called as esophagus. And there is one food storing, that whenever we are eating, the all foods will go first to the stomach. So that is one like a sac or bag-like structure, that is called as the stomach. After the stomach, it will go to that small intestine. Then after it will go and it will digestion take place there. Then after it will go for the large intestine. If there are some fats or oil foods are there, that it will be digested in the large intestine. Then after it will go for the rectum. Then last finally it will come out that waste, those who are undigested food, it will come out through the anus. So this from the mouth to anus, this consist part is called as alimentary canal. So whenever we are taking the food, first of all we have to chew, then after it will break down the simpler form. Then after it will go through the esophagus to the stomach. In the stomach, hydrochloric acid will mix all the germs and whatever that it will be, kills them. Then after this food will slowly it will go to that small intestine. Okay, then after small intestine, that sulfur that it will mix some enzymes, and some pancreas it will secrete some enzymes, and that it will mix and it will be digested. Then after it, all the nutrients will collected from the small intestine, and those who have not digested, that it will go for the where? It will go to the large intestine. Then finally it will be digested in the large intestine. Then after that it will go for the rectum. Then after it will go to anus. So this is totally whole, we can say it is alimentary canal, and it is also called as the students, it is also called a food canal or digestive tract. What we should say? Alimentary canal also is called as a food canal, or it is also called as a digestive tract. So remember the students, alimentary canal also called as a food canal, or it is also called as a digestive tract. The alimentary canal is along with a coiled tube. Alimentary canal is a long and a coiled like tube. Okay, so coiled like structure are there. So after the small intestine and large intestine, you will see that picture just like one coiled like. So it is a long tube and also it is connected how like it is structure like a coiled like. And it consists of the following 7 organs are there, students. One is mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. So these are the 7 organs are consist of these alimentary canals. Okay, students. So and next we will discuss about that what is the digestive systems. So the alimentary canal and the associated glands together consist of the digestive systems. This is alimentary canal, that means 7 organs. With that some several associated glands are there connected to for the digestion of the food. What are that? Suppose we will say that our salivary glands, which can secrete the saliva in mouth. There are 2 sides are there salivary gland. The salivary glands or the salivary gland are consist generally in the mouth. It is present in the mouth and it secretes. What is that, students? Do you know? Saliva. Whenever it will mix with the fast food for that. What is that? To break down or it will for the digestion for that it is very essential. Then after another one is liver. Okay, liver is also another one gland is there and it is helping that digestive juice are secreting and hydrochloric acid are secreting, pancreas are there, and those glands are helping for that for the digestion, or it is generally secreting the digestive juice. Okay, it is mixing with the food for the digestion. Okay, so that's why these are all associated glands, that generally salivary gland, pancreas and the liver. These 3 with these 7 organs generally help are called as a digestive system. Associated glands generally salivary gland, liver and pancreas, which are secrete the digestive juices. So students, these are all about the digestive systems. Next we will discuss about that one by one. What is that mouth? How that mouth is helping for the digestion system, or in alimentary canal what is the work? Students, the first part is mouth. Mouth is very like one our crusher machine. That means you know that sugar cane in that machine is there. Whenever sugar cane we are putting into that, it is crushing. That means it is removing that juices. Yes, similarly students, our crusher is that our mouth. That means whatever that bigger particles or any substance we are keeping in the mouth, it will first will be grinding. That means it will make it simpler form, or it will make that one smallest form. Okay, then after it will be by the chewing, and that process is generally called as a mechanical process. Okay, or mastication. So already I have told that the mouth is contain teeth, tongue and a salivary gland. Mouth generally contain that what is that? Teeth contain tongue and salivary gland. Teeth helps breaking bigger food particles into smaller pieces by the process of chewing, or it is called as a mastication. Okay, whatever we are the food particle we are putting into the mouth, already I have told in that the process is called as ingestion. When the food we are putting in the mouth, the process is called as ingestion. And especially when the food particles we are breaking down and by the chewing, that is called as a mastication. And this is a one mechanical process, because mechanisms is taking place in our mouth. Okay students, and hold the part, next part we will discuss what is that tongue, teeth and what are the how many types of teeth in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.